Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at a portable speaker from Harman Kardon. It's called Luna. It comes in black and a different color, like white, I think, or beige. I like the way it looks like. And I think even though it's covered like this in a mesh, you have a passive radiator on both ends, a tweeter, and a speaker. So yeah, so what do we have in here? You can see the indicator as you are used to, and then the lights on the top, which will indicate the battery. On the back, what they say, superior sound performance, 12 hours of playtime. That's a bit on the low side, I think, but still 12 hours is enough. And it's also IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so no worries in there. And then you have a charging cable, I think, and some instructions. So yeah, let's open it up. You always do this. So yeah, oh, it comes in a nice kind of like bag, very posh, beautiful sound. You can probably use it a couple of times to store it anyway. Seems like it's a good kind of bag. Let's see what else we have. So I guess that's where we will have the charging cable and the instructions. I'm just curious, the charging cable, what is it? Is it, so it's a USB-C to USB-A, and it seems like a decent size. But yeah, let's have a look at the speaker itself. That's what we are interested in. So we'll put this aside like so. And yeah, oh, it's light. On the top it's aluminium. You have the play, pause, volume rocker up and down, Bluetooth, and power. The Harman Kardon logo, which is also aluminium. And on the bottom you have Luna. On the back, USB-C for charging exposed. So yeah, it looks beautiful, and it's small size as well. So I'm going to show you how it compares in terms of size with the JBL Flip 6. Yeah, so it's kind of similar size. Kind of, this one seems a bit lighter actually, which is quite interesting. So yeah, we're gonna do a sound comparison. Unfortunately, I don't think they have any app. So it's just this, whatever you have on the whatever options you have in here. We'll see if there's a way of changing the sound mode. But yeah, let's get into it. Did the Harman Kardon Luna to my iPhone 15, if anyone wants to know, and we'll play some free, no copyright sounds. Yeah, so we'll start with the volume kind of like this, midway, and yeah, let's have a listen.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
So I'm gonna go a bit further down from the disc now, and about like 3 meters away. So let's just see how it sounds.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Some days
Let's increase the volume.
my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, so I think it sounds really good. What I'll do now, I'm gonna compare it against the JBL Flip 6, because I think that's quite on the same level, even in terms of speakers and everything. So yeah, please bear with me while I'm connecting this one. Okay, so that's connected as well. So we'll just move around. So I'm gonna go, actually let me just start with in front of it in here. So that's the one playing.
I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
I really like this part, so let's go back a bit, and then we'll put that one just to see what's the difference. The only problem I have with iPhone, I'll try to put it like mid as well. So let's do this. Mid will be exactly let's say in between those two volume buttons. So let me check the other one is the same. To make it fair. Okay, and go back to Luna. Yeah, perfect. So they are the same now. So let's play on the Luna a bit. See how that works.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanted to consumption, get faster to waste. I
hard to tell. It seems like they both have some bass. I don't know why I feel like this one has more bass and sounds a bit cleaner. But let's just move away 3 meters and see how it sounds in the room. So we'll start with the Harman Kardon, or I'll call it Luna, and the other one Flip 6, yeah? So let's make sure we are on Luna here. So I'll play Luna, then I'll stop, and Flip 6. And this is with the 50% volume, yeah?
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay, let's see Flip 6.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
And let's move to Luna just a little bit. It's kind of impressing me a bit more, Luna. I don't know why.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide.
It sounds a bit more stereo, Luna. So I'll just pop up the volume to maximum now. As you could hear that drill. So yeah, I won't play too long because it's quite loud. So Luna.
Remedies. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah, crazy how nice it sounds. Okay, so now we move to JBL Flip 6. Let's play the same section, loud, maximum volume.
Those profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Okay guys, I think that's enough. My conclusion is they both sound really good. If you have any of this, you won't really know the difference. But when you have them both, in my opinion, when this is at maximum volume, it kind of lowers down the bass more than this one. But in terms of highs and mids, they're still quite the same. I really like the sound of that coin or whatever it is. But this one keeps a bit more bass at high volume than this one. So yeah, it's more like, it depends on the taste, in music. What I can hear, maybe, it's not what I like, maybe it's different than what you like. So you have to make your own opinion. So this is just a sound test. Hopefully it will help you. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give us a like, subscribe and comment, and tell us what would you like me to compare it against. I have other speakers that I can use. So yeah, thank you for watching.